think it's funny how one of my worst looking parcels, it's actually one of the ones I'm looking forward to the most. So on that note, top of the morning, evening, night or day, ladies and gentlemen, I hope everyone's well and good. This is me, here today on behalf of Well Prepared Man. Roll the intro.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain, and the following video is for subscribed devices only.
In today's video, ladies and gentlemen, we are unboxing the watch, and I'm super excited to be unboxing this watch here on the channel because it took me a really long time to find it. I went on a massive watch journey in order to try and find the perfect watch or the perfect three watch collection if I'm looking at the broader scale. But it all began with the perfect watch, which I didn't feel like I had. I felt like all of my pieces were pieces that I wanted to save and look at rather than wear. And I'm pretty sure that at some point throughout my life, I'll be like, do you know what? This is my watch right now, and I'm gonna wear it for like 6 months straight. I will allow myself to do that because they are my watches after all. I'm wearing the Citizen Noblia. I picked this up very recently. And I've been wearing this watch instead of my other watches because it's a small quartz watch and I don't really care much about it. But with that thought process, I started caring about it because it's a really beautiful watch and I don't want to get it ruined. So yeah, I'm going to be putting this one away as well. And we're going to unbox the watch that we have here and hopefully this will be my daily wear. I'm gonna show you guys this. I'm actually super curious to see it in person. Yo! What a badass watch! Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Seiko 5 gold dial. It reminds me of the PRX. Okay, it's got that almost integrated looking bracelet. I don't know if this is what you call that or not. But it looks like it's almost integrated into the case. And overall, the watch is beautiful. I freaking love how worn out this watch is. I don't want to be the first guy to hit the watch in a wall, but I don't mind wearing it once it's been hit. It's that first hit that basically causes me to be super mindful, you know? This watch here, I'm pretty sure someone hit it against the wall at some point. So it'll be pretty much good to go from the get-go. I'm just going to give it a little scrub here. I need to find... Just bear with me a second. The reason why I got this watch is because someone offered me just the right amount of money for my daily beater, which was a Seiko 5, just like this one, with a champagne dial, but silver bracelet in case. And I sold it. So we're going to see if this watch works. Yeah, man, that is working. It is a Seiko 5 after all. I believe these things were made to outlast war. Yeah, the watch is working. And I'm just gonna change it here to the right day. So today is Tuesday, I believe. So we're just gonna go around here once or twice. Focus, man. People want to see what's happening. My camera doesn't want to help me be successful today. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got the right day and the right date. I believe this would be close to the 7009 movement, but I can't really see. But let's zoom in. Okay, so we got the Seiko name there in the back, and then we have water resistant stainless steel back. We got the reference number. Okay, so this is not a 7009. No, 7826. Sorry, guys. Is that an 8 or an S? 7S26. Fucking hell, my eyes are not good. Let me just give you guys a proper view of this dial. As you can see, this watch has seen better days. But I really like that about this watch. It's got personality, and I know that I can wear it without feeling guilty. I can go skating without feeling, I can do everything in this watch without feeling guilty. And that for me is phenomenal. What a mighty Seiko this is. Let's see if it fits me. All right, man. Help me a little bit. Here we go. By the way, guys, this is an automatic movement. As you saw me earlier trying to wind the watch like this, it's an automatic movement. And let's find out if the watch fits. Okay, it's a little bit too big on the wrist. We can actually remove these easily. Yeah, these are easy to remove. I'm just gonna grab a knife and a hammer. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We're in. So having opened this, it's actually easier to remove the links because you can access the back of the links, and that just makes everything smoother. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to get this pin underneath here, which is not happening easily.
Yo, this track is so good, I came back for sloppy seconds. What? I know you got some rhymes, kid.
Should I release the hound, sir?
Before 35, I ain't making kids alive. I am focused on my shit. Promise God I'll do my bit. Hear this bitch, this is me, here again. Got no pen, this my jam. Understand, with the Henny in my hand. Yo, feel the flow that you know. What a show, right this man. Hear my words be contraband, different blow. This my land, laws are gone, take a stand, fam. I quit smoke, for my life be not a joke. 1 and zeros be my dope. Rolling in my bank account, I don't pout or black out. I break out from the wheel like the real deal and reveal life. Fuck your spite like the part of your diet. The mind's bright, yours be rather and quiet. Listen, from the stars with the sun, son. Put down your gun, violence all of shun. No, lost be number one, smartest brothers one. Fight against the self, you're my styling self. I'm a king in the ring, dropping mad bars. Heavier than cars, on stick man. Fuck them, focused on the mic. Let your ears bleed and your brain swell. All is fucking well, put the M in man. That's God's plan, happy children understand. Life is grand, why complain? Go obtain, feel the rain. Don't let glory be in vain. We alive, this my stripe. Go from broke to leading man, cause I can.
Don't forget to save your links in case your wrist gets fat. Don't worry about getting fat, it's a part of life. And by saving the links, you guarantee that your watch will fit you throughout the rest of your life. And that, ladies and gentlemen, pretty much brings us to the end of the watch adjustment, but not necessarily the end of this video. When I unboxed my Timex Q here on the channel, I said this. I think that might be that when it comes to watch collecting for me. Although I felt like that at the time, I'm human, and I prize myself on the fact that I'm ever growing. Essentially, the Timex Q was a good candidate for me to achieve my purpose, which was to find a watch that I can wear every day without any concerns, and that I feel stylish in. Now this would have never happened if I was broke. If I was broke, I'd pick an A158 and shut the fuck up. Because I already had a watch that I can wear every day without any concerns, and that is my G-Shock. No matter what happens, I know that the G-Shock will survive. And yeah, I fulfilled that part of the quest when I bought the G-Shock. But there was another one which was the stylish part, and after the G-Shock was out of the mud, I got it back into the original bracelet because that's how much I wanted to wear it, but it wasn't stylish. It wasn't stylish anymore. I lost the stylish part of the G-Shock once I ditched the mud because it broke. I couldn't wear it anymore. So if you haven't watched that video and you'd like to, please go ahead. Anyway, I carried on the quest and I got the Timex Q. The Timex Q was good when it comes to the stylish part, but I didn't feel like I could wear it every day. I wear it almost every day for like a month or so just to get a feel for the watch. And that's the feel I got out of it. Like, this is a nice looking watch. I don't want to ruin it. So I put the Timex Q back in the box and I went back to the drawing board. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is where I actually think we finished this quest. Because this watch has been beaten up to the point where I don't mind wearing it every day. And it's an experience that I already know, because I used to have a watch just like this but in silver, so I know I love this watch and I don't mind wearing it every day. As a matter of fact, The Seiko 5 is one of the only watches that I fell asleep with, and I want to explain this a little bit better. Basically, I don't normally sleep with my watches on because I feel it when I go to sleep. I lay down on my belly most of the time, and the dial of the watch is making my wrist feel uncomfortable, so I normally take off my watch. But I realized when I had the other Seiko 5 that the profile of the watch was so nice and tight that I fell asleep with the watch on, and I didn't have to take off my watch when I went to sleep. So, yeah, I slept with the Seiko 5. I know that I like the wearing experience of this watch, so I know that I can wear it every day. And also, it's stylish enough to the point where I just love it. Like, I just love the look of this watch. So, that is me done with watches. As a matter of fact, my need is fulfilled, and that is a wonderful place to be. I'm actually reaching this feeling in many areas of my life, which is a great thing because I'm going to enter my 30s in 2024. At the moment, I am on this mission to better the areas of my life that need improvement, which one of them was the channel. I was slipping up massively with what I wanted to do and what I was doing. The discrepancy was huge between the two, so I just really had to catch up, and that's really what I've been doing. And the feeling that I get out of making the areas of my life feel like they don't need any more improvement is a great feeling because it allows me to focus on other things that need improvement and find new interests and actually have more. How can I say this well without fucking this up? Okay, so basically, I'm a very introspective person, and when I feel like I'm nailing life, I'm less introspective and more present. I'm enjoying the gift that was given. The past is gone, there's no point in wondering about it. We can take away our lessons for the present, but as an introspective individual, having taken my lessons from the past and using them in a way that I'm making the most out of being alive, it just makes me grateful to be alive. So, on that note, I'm pretty sure we're going to be talking about watches in the future, the state of my watch collection, because at this point I've got quite a few watches. I'd say anywhere in between 10 to 15 watches, which is not a lot by all means compared to some people out there. But for me, it's more than I can wear. Personally, the number that I really like of things is 7 because there's 7 days in a week, and that means that I can change every day. When I get to 10, 15s, I'm thinking I've got way too much. I've got more than I asked for, and it just puts me in a place of gratefulness. As a matter of fact, I'm actually going to sell a few of these watches on Vinted, but before I do, I'm going to give you a state of my watch collection. I'm gonna go to Lisbon and pick up the rest of my watches that are not here. I need to go on a little bit of a trip for that. So I'm gonna go and do that before I give you guys the state of the collection video. That's gonna be exciting and I'm looking forward to it. Anyway, this pretty much brings us to the end of this video. I want to thank you guys for sticking with me up until the very end. And I'm gonna wish you the rest of an amazing day. This is your boy logging out. Peace.